Meet Spreadsheet Merge, the ultimate solution for merging spreadsheets with ease. Are you tired of wasting hours manually combining data from multiple spreadsheets? Spreadsheet Merge is here to save the day. Whether you're handling sales reports, financial statements, or project data, our service makes the process seamless and stress-free. With Spreadsheet Merge, simply upload your output report sheet, add the sheets to merge, and select the columns you want to merge, and let our powerful algorithms do the rest. No more copying and pasting, no more errors, just perfectly merged data, ready for use in sales report or pivot tables. Our intuitive interface is designed for everyone, from beginners to spreadsheet experts. Need to merge multiple sheets with mixed column names, different numbers of columns, mixed formats like Excel and CSV? No problem. Spreadsheet Merge handles it all with precision and speed. Sign up for our beta at spreadsheetmerge.com